Hi, this is Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing LED replacement kit. I had some big LED lights go out at the store. They're 4 foot. This is a 4 foot replacement. They're like $80 to replace the whole light. They do have conversion kits out there. These are the best I found. The reason why I find these the best is $125 for the kit. I want to put a link, on this after it's done. It will do one kit. For 125 bucks, we'll do 4 sets of lights. And there's some cheap ones out there, but here's why you want these. Like I said, here's a kit. It does 4 lights. I'm actually going to go through the installation. But the genius behind it is this. This, when you just cut the wires out, tear out the old, you can even leave it in, just cut the wires off, but you tear out the old ballast. These new ballasts, when you go to install them, are magnetic. So you're literally like just sticking them anywhere you want. And in the light I'm using, I can actually hide it underneath where the original ballast was. Same thing with these strips, these strips here. They're excellent. 2 of these replaces 4 lights. And again, when you are doing it, I'm going to do an installation, but you can just put it up, and the high-end magnets hold it where it is. So you can put it up, wire it, and then put it back down and move it around where you want to. The sticky tape ones are very hard. They're very hard to move. But again, this is the name of the kit. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link for you so it's really easy so you get the exact one, because there's some that are like this but they have the sticky tape, and that's the reason the sticky tape isn't as good is when you get it up there, if you want to move it or you go to adjust it, you can't. And always the whole kit, these splice into, you put 1 in here, 1 in each light, and you're good to go. I'm actually going to do a video of actually replacing one, and you'll see how exactly easy it is.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Okay, so now we're at the regular light. You want to make sure, of course, the power's off. And you're going to rip all this out. None of this is going to be in here. And one of the nice parts is, once you get all these out, you can actually, in this model anyway, you can actually use this piece to hide all the work you're going to do. So one of the biggest things again is make sure the switch is off, make sure the brake is off, and test it. So when you pull this out, you want to make sure there's no power running. You're going to look for the black and white wire that comes from the ceiling. And this one has to be right here. Again, breaker off, switch off. And make sure you test, which I've already tested. Or again, take one of these, put it up, put it up, and make sure there's no beep 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 beeps, so I know that's dead. The easiest part now, like I said about this unit, is you're just going to cut everything off. Take your wire nuts out, undo these. Now, if it's a unit that doesn't hide this, you can take this right out. You can leave it if you want, because that white thing is going to go right back up over here. Now, when you look at depending on the model, this one here, all you have to do to get this stuff out of here, you notice there's 2 tabs here, so you just kind of bring down, and you don't need these anymore. So you want to get everything you can, out of the thing. The reason why you want to do this LED transfer is because one, it's a lot safer, and it's going to use a ton less electricity. And when you put this down like this, you put these up, everything's going to be hidden away, and now you don't have to worry about painting and taking this fixture down. You're going to put it back up, it's going to be perfect. So what makes this unit so nice is sometimes you're going to notice the power could come in, it could be down here, it could be over here. It doesn't matter where these ballasts is, because you literally can just stick it up. It's going to stick wherever you put it. So, you're going to hook the black and white up here, these here. What's nice about this is you turn around, you take the 2 LEDs. You can put these in, when you stick them with magnets. Oh, this one's missing the magnet. Hold on. It must be in the box. Yeah, it's right here. They're on track, so they come off. But you just take this, go like this. You don't have to be exact at first, because the nice part is you can move these around. So then they give you 4 sets of these, and these are the wires you need to join. So what you do is you hook up this end here, And all this is doing is hooking both LEDs to the wire. So you just hook these 4 up and it splits into these 2, like so. Like I said, the nice part about this is you're not holding it up, and once you wire it in, you can see just about where you want everything to be, and you can move stuff around if it doesn't fit right. There. And so these 2 wires here are if you want a dimmer. If you're going to have a dimmer, you want to hook these up. So this, you don't need anymore. These 2 come down like this. This, if you'd have to run a wire from here to the switch if you want these to dim. The secret that I did was these were all in one place, so I just did they have a 40 watt version and a 60 watt version. I just did the 40 watts so they wouldn't be too high. So basically, white to white, black to black. You can tape these up with electrical tape to be safe. I'll finish them up. What you're going to do is I tape this up with electrical, this up with electrical. These don't have to, they're not going anywhere. But watch before I even put it on. I'll put them back on. And you see how bright it is. Once the cover's on, it's like new. But basically, that's the easiest way to it. Now I'm going to take that piece I did, snap it right up. Now you're going to see it. And you don't see anything. You have to move things around because it's fitting. Just move it around so it's not in the way. That's why I like those magnets, because there's no, you can just move them out of your way. So now when I snap this up here, oops, here, now it's all neat, it's away. Cover back on. And you have a brand new light. I'm going to put the link on the site. You have a brand new light, all LED. You didn't have to tear this down, paint it all up and everything else. And it's LED. It's going to use 1/4 of the power. And that's going to be good now for, who knows, and it's only $120. We'll do 4 sets of these, so you can't beat the price either. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, you leave me a comment. I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.